champagne, lady. Out to the rim, start taking my way from the dark side. I don't know where you're laughing. What's up, guys? How's it going? How's it going? Good morning. Alright, good morning, guys. How we feeling? How we feeling? Yo, I don't know why I'm so tired. Genuinely. But we're up though. We're up. We had breakfast. I had some like yogurt. It was like some parfait yogurt, some eggs, bacon. It was good eats. Overall good eats. But alright. I'm about to say my bias in a minute. I swear she's destined for the screen. Alright, bet. Now it's just. Alright, so right now, we are in like a higher time frame, just like consolidation right now. Market came off of this 4-hour fair value gap, which means I can definitely see us coming higher from that. And then, taking out this high to then make all-time highs again. We could also be sweeping this high and manipulating this 1-hour accumulation, right, to then come lower. Alright, which is kind of what I'm looking for, if I'm being honest. But if we do manipulate that 1 hour, there's a good chance the 5-minute could be invalidated because overextension in the market. So I'm kind of just looking like right now how we manipulated the sell side key level. That's really good enough for me. Not to enter, but like to start to look for a play, right? I'm gonna hop on a 2-minute. If we can see like any change in state of direction or anything like that, that would also be good. And Q's looking like polar opposite. I don't know why. But NQ's coming lower. It looks like it wants to take out. So key level, and we got this low right here as well. So we're kind of just watching market to see what it wants to do, Not forcing anything, but definitely watching. I'm so tired. I genuinely don't know why. My sleep catching up to me. Anyone else have a different bias? Let me know, bro. Oh, we got 20 people in here. That's awesome. So hopefully we can manipulate this on NQ. I'm not sure what ES wants to do. If NQ wants to fill this 4-hour, that would be amazing. Genuinely amazing. We already tapped into this. But if NQ can fill this 4-hour, like, we could also be looking for that. All we would need is some valid displacement. Let me drink water. Maybe that's why. My bias got embarrassed today. Despite the boron we have in the market right now. I know for sure though we have a lot of news today. Here, I'll put the news in the chat. So we have 9:45 a.m. PMI, which is red folder. Trump speaks at 9:50. 10 a.m. we have FOMC members speaking in Richmond and manufacturing index. That should be it for that trading day. But definitely gotta be careful. Especially like this is crazy. Okay, if ES wants to does ES wants to take out this side? I think ES might want to take out this relative liquidity right here. Looks like it's gonna for that. If NQ has a solid setup, then I'll be willing to hop in on here. I like how this is off a higher time frame confluence. If we get like an entry confluence, then I'll be willing to enter in on this trade. I want to see like something with this 5-minute candle. I don't know, is this enough for me to enter? I mean, we have AMD structure. We took out sell side liquidity, took out 1-2 key levels. If we can make change in state right here, displace from that, and then come back into like a continuation confluence, then I'd be willing to enter. Like, this wasn't enough confirmation. Like, the 1 minute is never enough confirmation for me, and it shouldn't be for you either. It's just too unreliable. Like, we're not sure what's going to always happen. Yeah. Body feels like it's shutting down. I don't know. Probably that food. That food was too good. I really like this. I really like this setup for ES. If we can come back into this 2 minute, I think I'll be willing to enter in. It's also a 1 minute inverse. Damn, she's destined for the screen. Well, if we just keep coming lower, then and we don't have anything, then I guess that would be it. But this is my play here. If we can come into this order block.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell 2 positions here. Probably not the best entry. I'm going to sell 1 more.
Order filled.
I forgot contracts are like nothing on ES, but see if we can fill this 1 hour on NQ. Let's try to take out this low. And really coming back into that. I think this that 9:45 news. Fuck that. Yeah, it's the PMI. Oh shit. Actually, I like this. She is destined for the screen. Really, I could see us coming towards this 4 hour gap to tap it. One hour's looking crazy.
Order filled.
Damn, bro. That sucks. Alright, so it looks like PMI definitely wanted to come higher before we come lower. That sucks. Check counters for PMI. I still kind of want to see something off of this inverse, though. No doubt. That's very well managed, though, with the risk. Damn. Literally by the tick. I'm gonna give it a minute because we got PMI. Trump speaks in 3 minutes. Look, you want to be careful. I speak it. Damn, yeah. I don't know. So, we definitely didn't want to go to our low draws. Or we did go to the low draws and not what we had marked out down here. No doubt NQ still wants to go lower. Unless we already filled this gap. If we didn't, you're chill. As we'll see though, that's kind of how it works though. Not 100% of the time. But that's probably gonna be it for me, to be honest. There's just straight news upon news upon news. You know, I don't think it would be a place to entry or place to enter. I feel like that was our only probable play. If we took it to our low hanging fruit, then we'd have banked. But I mean, that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes, you don't always take it to your the draws that you were aiming for. But it's all good. Come back tomorrow. Bust out another one. All right, but I will call it for today, and I will see y'all. Dang, bro, that was actually crazy.